Love the color. Paul's been painting our house a new color. This is the color it was, and now it's what we call potentially purple. I really like it. It's not purple, it's not gray, it's not white, it's kind of halfway in between all of those. So now I'm getting ready to take some of the dirt that I've got and this bag that I bought to plant strawberries in. So I've got to fill it with dirt, and then I can plant the strawberries, and I might be able to hang it up on the fence. I'm hoping that that'll work. We'll see. I think I can hang it up. We'll see. Okay, filled them up with dirt. Now I'm going to try to plant some of these. These are in way better shape than the first batch. Hopefully they'll take. Get them planted in their little pockets. Dropped one on the ground. There's one, two maybe. Let's see. Sure this one will take. Probably better plant two in it. Who knows? They are so tangled up. Had a rubber band around them, no wonder. They're not coming apart. Just a bunch of roots, but who knows, maybe they'll root, send out leaves. I can try. Throw some in here. What the heck? It's not going to hurt anything. So there's another one. I think I'll put it in this bag. This bag. Looking pretty sad. I need to water them in.